while others struggle endlessly without seeing any changes in their financial lives. If lately you feel like money slips through your fingers, opportunities don't come your way, or there's always something blocking your path to abundance, it could be that. Without realizing it, you're sending the wrong signal to the universe. But here's the key. There are words with special vibration that can reprogram your mind and energy so that wealth flows to you almost automatically. And we're not just talking about simple positive affirmations, but rather 3 powerful words that have been used for centuries. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money and opportunity so easily in secret spiritual practices to attract prosperity and unblock financial paths? In this video, I won't just reveal what those words are, but you'll also learn how to use them correctly so their energy activates immediately. So stay until the end, because I'll also share a powerful ritual to amplify their effect, along with additional tips to help you keep the vibration of abundance active in your life. Before we continue, I want you to do something very important. If you truly wish to open the doors of abundance in your life, write in the comments, "I activate the frequency of wealth in my life." This small act will not only reinforce your intention, but will also send a clear signal to the universe that you are ready to receive prosperity. And if this content is already resonating with you, give a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more teachings about abundance and energy. Also, share this video with someone who needs it. When you help others raise their vibration, abundance flows toward you as well. Now, let's discover why these words have such a special power and how you can use them to transform your financial life. Words are not just sounds. They are vibrations that shape reality. Since ancient times, in Buddhist teachings and other spiritual traditions, it has been understood that every word carries a specific frequency. Some words can elevate our energy and attract abundance, while others can block it and generate scarcity. In Buddhism, there is a concept of Kodadhamma, which means the spirit of words. This teaching states that certain sounds possess a special energy, and when spoken correctly, they can directly influence the world around us. But this is not just a spiritual belief. Modern science has demonstrated that words have a real effect on matter. Japanese researcher Masaru Emoto conducted an experiment in which he exposed water molecules to different words and emotions. He discovered that when the water received positive words like love and gratitude, its structures formed harmonious and beautiful patterns, similar to ice crystals. However, when the water was exposed to negative words like hate and fear, its structures became chaotic and became deformed. If our bodies are made up of 70% water, imagine the impact that the words we use every day have on our energy and the reality we create. That's why the way you speak about money and abundance defines what you experience in your financial life. And here's the problem. Most people use negative words without realizing it, reinforcing the energy of scarcity. Money is hard to get. I never have enough for anything. Only the lucky ones can be rich. Every time you say phrases like these, you're programming your mind and energy field to attract more difficulties. You're sending a signal to the universe that reinforces scarcity. But what if you could reverse that pattern and start using words of power that activate the vibration of wealth? That's exactly what you'll learn today. 3 sacred words that have been used by spiritual masters for centuries to unlock the energy of money. But before I reveal them, let me tell you a story that will completely change the way you see the power of words. Many years ago, in a small village surrounded by mountains, there lived a woman named Akemi. Since childhood, she had heard her family repeat phrases like, "Money disappears as fast as it arrives." "We weren't born to be rich. Only a lucky few manage to succeed." Over time, these beliefs became her reality. Akemi worked hard, but every time she seemed close to improving her situation, something happened, and she found herself back where she started. One day, feeling completely frustrated, she decided to visit a wise old monk who lived in a nearby temple. "Master, I do everything I can, but I never manage to get ahead. Why doesn't abundance come to me?" she asked desperately. The master observed her calmly and said, "Akemi, tell me, what words do you repeat every day about money?" She thought for a moment and replied, "I say that it's hard to get, that you have to suffer to earn it, that it's never enough." The master smiled and said, "Then that is exactly what you created." Akemi remained silent, surprised. Words are seeds. What you repeat often is what you harvest in your life. But there's a way to change it. The monk revealed to her 3 secret words, used by sages and spiritual masters to activate the energy of abundance and open the flow of money. From that day on, Akemi began repeating these words every morning and every night, with full intention and faith. At first, she didn't notice anything, but over time, something began to change. Unexpected opportunities started to appear. People who could help her came into her life. Her financial situation began to transform without the struggle she had always known. All because she changed the words she spoke each day. And today, you too will discover these sacred words. But before that, it's important to understand how and why they actually work. We already know that words shape reality, but not all of them have the same impact. Some generate such a powerful vibration that they can activate immediate changes. Ancient spiritual masters discovered that certain sounds, when spoken with intention, act as energetic keys that open the pathways to prosperity. The words you are about to learn are not just simple affirmations. They are specific sounds that resonate with the frequency of money and abundance. Most importantly, knowing them is not enough. There's a precise way to pronounce them to activate their energy instantly. So pay close attention, because right now, I am going to reveal the 3 words that can transform your financial reality forever. The moment you've been waiting for has arrived. Now that you understand the power of words and how they influence your reality, it is time to discover the 3 sacred words that can unlock your financial energy and attract wealth into your life. These words have been passed down through centuries by spiritual masters who understood the secret of sound vibration and its impact on manifesting abundance. Before I reveal them, it is essential to prepare your energy. Close your eyes for a moment and take a deep breath. Feel the energy around you and recognize that at this very moment, you are connecting to a new frequency, the frequency of prosperity. Now, repeat the following words mentally or aloud with intention and emotion. Kinshin'an. Each of these words has a special meaning that enhances its effect. Kin represents opening the mind to new possibilities. When you say it, you send a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Many people live trapped in limiting beliefs that prevent them from moving forward. Shin breaks those blockages and allows new opportunities to flow into your life. It symbolizes connection with the universal flow of energy. It aligns your vibration with the frequency of prosperity, activating your energy field to attract money, luck, and success. Tun represents manifestation. It is a final command that sends a clear message to the universe. You are ready to receive the wealth that belongs to you. However, there is something even more important you need to know. Simply repeating these words randomly is not enough. To make them truly work, you must say them at the right moment and with the correct intention. And now, I will explain exactly how to do it. But before we move on, I want you to take one important step. If you are truly committed to activating abundance in your life, write in the comments, "I am ready to attract wealth into my life." This simple act not only reinforces your intention, but also begins the process of aligning your energy with prosperity. Now, let's move forward together on this journey toward financial transformation. This simple action will not only reinforce your intention, but will also begin to program your mind and energy to attract wealth. If this knowledge resonates with you, give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep learning more about spirituality, energy, and abundance. Also, share this video with someone who needs it. When you help others elevate their prosperity energy, it flows back to you as well. Now, I'm going to teach you the exact method to use these words so that their energy activates and abundance begins to flow into your life. Pay close attention. Knowing the words is just the first step. Simply repeating them is not enough. There's a specific method, passed down by ancient spiritual masters, that ensures their vibration has a maximum effect. The key moments to activate these words. The first thing you need to know is that these words hold greater power when spoken at key moments of the day. This is because our minds are more receptive at certain times, allowing our energy to align more effectively with the frequency of prosperity. 1. In the morning, right after waking up. When you wake up in the morning, your mind is still in a relaxed state, open to new programming. In this moment, whatever you think and say will set the energy for your entire day. That's why, before getting out of bed, close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and repeat in your mind or aloud. Shin-un. Feel how each word resonates within you, opening an energetic pathway for money and opportunities to flow to you with ease. 2. Right before falling asleep. The second perfect moment is just before going to sleep. In those minutes before drifting off, your subconscious enters a highly receptive state, absorbing everything you feed it. If you repeat these words before sleeping, your mind will work with this vibration throughout the night, allowing the energy of abundance to integrate deeply into your being. To enhance the effect, lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and repeat the word in a soft voice or mentally, feeling as if you're already surrounded by wealth and prosperity. 3. During meditation or any moment of calm. The third key moment is during meditation or any quiet moment in your day. If you can find a peaceful place where no one will disturb you, take advantage of it. Close your eyes, relax your body, and repeat the words with full intention. As you say them, visualize money and opportunities flowing into your life naturally, as if the universe were responding to your call. But here's something even more powerful. To make this ritual truly effective, it is important to perform it with a small energy anchor. Sit in a quiet space and hold an object that represents prosperity for you. It could be a coin, a bill, a valuable piece of jewelry, or even a citrine crystal, which is known for its connection to wealth. Now, take a deep breath and repeat out loud. Shin-un. Say it 3 times, feeling how each word activates a different vibration within you. Imagine a golden light surrounding you, filling your entire being with abundance and financial success. As you repeat the words, visualize your financial situation improving. Imagine money flowing toward you, opportunities appearing out of nowhere, supportive people coming into your life, and your reality transforming in harmony with prosperity. When you finish, place the symbolic object in a special location, such as your wallet, your desk, or under your pillow, so that it continues to radiate this energy of abundance throughout the day. If you practice this ritual every morning, every night, and during moments of calm, you'll begin to notice how your energy shifts and how new opportunities start coming to you naturally. But this is not all. There are even more powerful ways to activate and reinforce the effect of these words, keeping the vibration of wealth active for longer. Next, I will share additional tips to help you amplify this ritual and accelerate your results, ensuring that prosperity energy never stops flowing in your life. The first thing you need to understand is that constant repetition is essential. Doing the ritual once and expecting miracles is not enough. Like any energetic practice, it requires commitment and consistency to truly reprogram your mind and energy. Reinforce the ritual with writing. In addition to saying these words out loud, write them down on a golden piece of paper or in a special notebook. Writing is a powerful way to embed your intention into your subconscious. You can do this every night before bed or anytime you feel the need for a boost of positive energy. Place the words in a visible spot. Write Shin-un on a piece of paper and stick it on your bathroom mirror, front door, or workspace. This will serve as a constant reminder that you are aligning your energy with abundance. Charge an object with prosperity energy. If you have a bill, a coin, a ring, or a citrine crystal, hold it in your hands while repeating the words. This will infuse the object with prosperity energy, turning it into an energetic anchor that you can carry with you. Combine the ritual with gratitude. Each time you repeat these words, Express gratitude as if abundance were already flowing into your life. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energy amplifiers and speeds up the manifestation of your desires. Align your actions with your new energy. Changing your energy is not enough. You must also be aware of the opportunities that start appearing. Abundance often arrives in unexpected ways. So stay open and ready to take action when the universe presents new possibilities. If you follow these tips alongside the ritual you've learned, you will notice a shift in your energy and a natural increase in prosperity in your life. But remember, the key is not just knowing this information. It's about putting it into practice every single day with intention and confidence. And now, before we finish, I want to extend one final invitation to you, because what you do from this moment forward can make all the difference in the wealth you attract into your life. You now hold powerful knowledge in your hands. You've learned that words are not just sounds. They are energetic keys that can open the pathways to prosperity. You discovered how many people, without realizing it, reinforce scarcity to the wrong words, and how you can do the exact opposite, using language that programs your mind and energy to attract wealth. You've learned 3 sacred words that have been used for centuries to align with the frequency of abundance. You practiced a special ritual to amplify their effect and explored additional tips to help you maintain their power over time. But there's something I want to remind you of. Real change only happens when you take action. Knowing this secret is not enough. You must apply it with intention and confidence. Every word you speak creates a vibration in the universe, and each time you repeat Shinton, you are sending a clear message. I am ready to receive the prosperity that belongs to me. A simple yet powerful step. So now, I want you to do something very simple but incredibly powerful. If you are truly committed to opening the doors of abundance in your life, type in the comments, I activate the frequency of wealth in my life. This small action reinforces your intention and sends a clear signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Do you want to attract wealth, make extra money, and transform your financial reality? Our channel shares the best secrets of the law of attraction, teaching you how to manifest money and create extra income effortlessly. Learn powerful techniques to attract prosperity and unlock your millionaire mindset. Plus, explore the best passive income and online money-making opportunities. Limited time offer. Ready to fast-track your journey to wealth? We have an amazing digital product that can change your financial life. And the best part? You get 30% off for a limited time. Get it now. Also, share this video with someone who needs it. Because when you help others raise their vibration, abundance flows back to you as well. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue exploring the hidden secrets that can transform your life.